Assalamualaikum dear students. I am your science teacher of class 3. Open your science book page number 117. Chapter number 17 Home Sweet Home. A home is a place where we live. We all need a home to live in. All over the world people live in different type of houses. A home gives us shelter from sun, rain, wind and enemies. Types of home. There are two types of home. Number 1, permanent homes. People make permanent houses when they live at one place for a long time. Temporary homes. Some people make temporary homes because they keep moving from one place to another. Gypsies live in houses on wheels called caravans. Many Johns, scouts and soldiers live in tents in their camps. The most common temporary house is a hut. Building material. Homes are made of different materials. Bamboo, wood, cement, dry leaves, straws, stones, tiles, bricks, mud. These are some materials used for making homes. Some materials are used in permanent houses like cement, wood, bricks, mud, tiles, stones, and other are used in temporary houses. People use the materials which are easily available nearby. People living in hilly areas, for example, they live in houses made of wood. Eskimos live in snow houses called igloos. There are two types of homes, that is permanent homes and temporary homes. Roof. Houses have different kinds of roof. They may be flat and plain roof or sloping roof. Places that have heavy rainfall have houses with sloping roofs. A good house should have plenty of sunshine and fresh air. When people feel happy in a house, it becomes home sweet home. See the page number 121. Take true or false for the following statements. Number 1. A permanent house is not long lasting. This statement is false because permanent houses is long lasting. Number 2. Tents can be moved easily from one place to another. This statement is true because some people make temporary homes. They keep moving from one place to another. Number 3. Gypsies live in snow houses called igloos. This statement is false because Eskimos live in snow houses. Number 4. Houses have the same kind of roofs. This statement is also false because houses have different kinds of roofs. Number 5. A good house has enough sunshine and fresh air. This statement is true because people feel happy in a house. Fill in the blanks. Number 1. My house is made of dash and dash. My house is made of blocks and cement. Number 2. Some people do not stay at one place. They make dash houses. Some people do not stay at one place. They make temporary houses. Number 3. Eskimos live in snow houses called dash. Eskimos live in snow house called igloo. Number 4. Some roofs are flat while others are dash. Some roofs are flat while others are sloping. This is the end of today's lecture. Complete your book work. Allah Hafiz.